about this course. This course is designed to provide a comprehensive introduction to Verilog and its use in hardware verification. You'll start by learning the basics of logic design, circuit analysis, and how Verilog fits into the digital design process. From there, the course introduces key verification techniques, emphasizing the importance of testing and debugging, which are crucial in ensuring the quality of digital designs. As you progress, you'll gain an understanding of the core principles of verification and how to effectively apply them. In addition to the basics, this course delves into advanced topics such as creating efficient test benches, using Verilog constructs for verification, and optimizing simulation performance. You'll explore essential strategies like writing reusable and flexible test benches, generating test stimuli, and using tools like assertions to enhance verification. By mastering these methods, you'll be able to increase both the speed and accuracy of your design verification process. Throughout the course, there are hands-on examples, guided exercises, and practical applications to help reinforce your learning. Whether you are an engineer looking to improve your verification skills or someone preparing for a career in hardware design, this course provides the foundational knowledge and practical experience to succeed.